Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this grungy festival look. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm first starting off with the Revolution Makeup Newtrals 2 eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this shade here as my transition shade in the crease. Then applying this berry tone just to further deepen up the crease. Then taking a clean blending brush and going over those two shadows we've applied. This look is supposed to look a little bit untidy just to give it that grungy feel. Then going into the Revolution Makeup Iconic Fever palette, and I'm applying this shade here into the outer corner. Next taking this shadow and applying it as a base over the eyelid. And then blending those two shades together. So back into the Newtrals palette, and I'm taking this bright orange shade and applying that right into the inner corner, and I'm really buffing that out so you can see it. Then back into the Iconic Fever palette, and I'm taking this bronze shadow across the eyelid. Then going back to that clean blending brush, and I'm just going over everything just to make sure it's not too unblended. Next I took a makeup wipe just to clean away any fallout that I got underneath, and I'm also cleaning up the eyeshadow just to give it that nice sharp edge. Next taking the Rimmel London Wonder Swipe liner in the shade called InstaFamous, and I'm taking that over the crease and then winging it out. And before I did do this, I added the NYX Cosmetics Vivid Brights liner in the shade called Delight, just to sketch it out before I went back in with that gold. Then taking my favourite Kat Von D liner, and I'm creating a small winged liner, and I'm also bringing that right into the inner corner. Then going in with this brown shade here in the Iconic palette, and I'm smudging that across the liner that we did just to give it that nice smoky effect. Staying in the Iconic palette, and I'm taking the orange shade just to make it a little bit more vibrant in the inner corner. Okay, so next taking these gorgeous lashes from Millions Beauty in the style called Stephanie. Then to finish off the bottom lash line, I'm going first in with that orange shade and just buffing that right underneath. Then taking the dark brown shadow and applying that closest to the lashes. Next applying loads of mascara to the bottom lashes to make them look really thick and spiky. And then after that I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade called Pure Gold, and I'm taking that in the waterline just so it doesn't look too bare. Then taking this highlight shade and I'm applying that to the brow bone. Next taking the Huda Beauty Pink Sands 3D highlighter kit and taking the shade called Santorini and applying that literally everywhere, and I'm using that on a Sigma tapered highlighter brush. Then using the No7 Red Lip Liner to line the lips. Then to finish the whole look off, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade called Orange County. So you guys, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and also remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.